What's going up, everybody? Hope everybody's having an awesome day here. It's pretty late. It's 12 a.m. here. I kind of wanted to talk to you guys about stock trading halts. They're very, very important, especially for momentum, type traders like myself and majority of my team. So trading halts pretty much when a stock is up over 10% in a single candlestick like such. Here, hold on. Let's grab that drawing tool here. So as you guys can see, it opened at 518 and went all the way up to 571, or it should be around 10% or over. Yeah, so right here. It should be 10% on the dot, and then they pause it for a stock trading halt here. So pretty much this is just saying the stock exchange is gonna put a halt on this stock, and pretty much what that does is it doesn't allow anybody to buy or sell the stock. If you have it, you continue to hold, and you can actually click buy, but it doesn't get filled till the market opens again. And then often, if it's pending some type of news like YECO, this is the how I got it called out. Hold on, we got to find it. So this was YECO has been a very, very active stock, lately. So when I saw it come across, I jumped on it, obviously. So YECO, the reason for it jumping is volatility trading. So that is pretty much just, a lot of traders buying and selling this stock. So this is going to cause an increase in the price. And when you do that, the spreads are often very large. Like that spread is 10%. So the stock exchange says, okay, no one can buy or sell this stock for, normally it's anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes, but often there has been times where it's halted for a day or two, like a day. If it's a very, very wild stock, and the committee and the stock exchange is, okay, we're not going to allow anybody to buy it, so just stay that same rate until it can reopen. And often when it can reopen, it's either way higher or way lower. So as you guys can see here, it was way higher. It was almost, let's see, from its highs, right out of the get-go, it opened 2% and then squeezed all the way up another 10%. And many people actually, look for this type of move. But the best thing to do is, if you see it halted, and you don't want to really chase this stock, because pretty much if you buy into a halt, you're chasing it, and it's going to be a very, very risky play. So obviously, it was up, 10%, got shot back down another 10, and then rode this, moving average line. So that's what I would have looked for. I would have saw it tap it and get bought back up. So I would have, looked really to buy near the one of the moving average lines, and I would have not, I wouldn't have really bought into the halt. But understanding halts are very, very important here, and let's see if we can find one that is being halted for news reasons. Often more, volatility is obviously very, very one of the top. So it looks like it got halted again. It's very common to get halted multiple times. So this is the market, the NASDAQ. So you'll be able to see, the exchange, and this is the stock bot I use. It's very, very cool. It's, my trading group chat is 100% free, and literally they send it out every single time. So everyone's always, involved. So let's just pull up this ticker symbol, random ticker symbol, GSC here. All right, so GSC. Let's see how with this one. Yeah, sometimes we do have ones like this, but it did squeeze up, but something like this we wouldn't have wanted here. But the real reason why I use this is because when I see names that I know and that I've seen the past week, I will be like, oh, okay, this one's halted, let's go pull it up. So then I'll pull up YECO, and I'll be like, then I'll look at it like this, and hold on, I'll look at it like this and say, oh, okay, it's halted. Let's see what happens. The spreads are very, very large, so let's wait for some type of pullback. We get a little pullback here. Okay, that's buy into this. Looks like the 9 moving average is acting as some type of support here. Now we're just going to ride that. We're going to set stops below it. Now that is a very, very smart way to do it. Not, okay, all right, it's halted, let's just buy as many shares. This thing's going to go to the moon. So you buy, then you're up 10%, and then you get this immediate pullback here all the way back down, to 550 before you get some type of reverse. So, you got to understand stock halts here. I would like to find one that had. Okay, so here's one. All right, hold on. Let's pull it up. NUAN. Let's see this one here. Okay, so this is NUAN here. All right, so this one was halted. It looks like going down. When was this? NUAN. This was at 4:30. All right. So 4:30. 1. Oh, so this was after hours. Gotcha. Yep, that's what this big spike was right here. This was a halt right here, guys. So I didn't realize that this was after hours. But the reason why it's starting to get slammed now after hours down is because it released some type of news. And so often that news is bad, so that's why people want to start selling the stock. And then that's where you get that big decrease, in selling. So this, my group chat's very, very cool if you guys want to join it. I'll put it down below. Yeah, so that's it though. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please sure to like, subscribe, comment if you are new. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you all have a fantastic rest of the week. That's finished tomorrow. Up, green. The market's been kind of a little slow lately, but it's better to sit back, relax, and enjoy the show rather than lose money. So YECO, very, very good move on it. A little bit of riskier play if you would have bought in at the halt here, but there were some good opportunities along the way. Finding that support at the 20 moving average line before breaking it later in the day. So, keeping an eye on something like that's very, very important. But yeah, so that's it though. Take care, guys. Peace out.